How to turn off YouTube restricted mode on any browser. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Simply open the browser you want, as for example, I'm using Google. Simply open the browser and then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Then go to Privacy and Security, which is below Addresses and More. In here, simply scroll down to Security and you'll find Safe Browsing. Open that and make sure it's No Protection, as it's not recommended, but you can still turn on. After you've done that, restricted mode will be turned off. This is how to turn off YouTube restricted mode on any browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.